onto the dollar CAD. We've got price pulling back after this strong bullish run. We're nowhere near higher time frame of the weekly as we've broken this significant level of resistance. We still have a lot of levels up here if we're going to continue this trend. Looking left, far down in the daily, this is the zone we've pulled back into from the weekly zone. Let's just relive that because that's irrelevant to me and I don't want to clutter the drawings with too much. Mark out a daily resistance, now becoming potential support. That's where price is probed below, but we never closed below that. Down on the 4 hour, we never closed below that either. Price is pulled back into the 4 hour and daily resistance here. Let's just mark them out. Below 1, 2, then 3. Prices come up, go into a bear orientation, come into a bearish trend confirmation, and now we're just trading in this block, which is that zone there. What's good about this is potential indication that the pullback is completed. If I was to draw an AB equals CD leg, so since the pullback of the violation here, to claim that and paste it to this leg, the next leg down, this is what we call maybe equal CD or an equal measure move leg. Look where it lines up right at the bottom of that zone. That's exactly where price is probed as well to collect liquidity and to take out any orders before potentially continue its trend higher. Now, if I jump down into 60, what's also a good indication that it's complete is breaking through that inside level of resistance. So if I were to trace out price, approach this low, doesn't break and close below on any time frame, and then breaks through this inside level of resistance, and then is now pulling back. If I were to get long, I would look for longs in the inside level, which was from this leg, this move here. So anything in here, if it tests that, which I'm looking to get long, if this candle can close above the previous candle. This one here is a pin bar already. And now if we get a higher close, that's a bullish signal for me in the long entry. Target was hit in this trade. What ended up happening was this candle that I was waiting on for the higher close, it had a strong rejection wick, but still got to close above the previous candle. I anchored a bit late when this was pulling back. Here was my entry. It was still valid because of this entry signal that I had planned on. And since then, it continued to run higher. My target take profit was a retest of this zone, probed above it, and then completely rejected, but I was already out of the trade.